Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at that famous Christmas song that everybody knows, Jingle Bells, on a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. Here we have a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes in the key of C. As you can see, I've numbered every hole from 1 to 16, 1 being the lowest note and 16 being the highest. Now if your harmonica is not numbered, don't worry, just assume that the lowest note is 1, the note after that is 2, the note after that is 3, and so on, until you get to the number 16. For this tutorial, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it? Good. Here is what Jingle Bells looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And this is how it sounds. E, 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 G, C, D, E, F, 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 E, 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 D, D, E, D, G, E, 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 G, C, D, E, F, 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 E, 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 G, G, F, D, C, G, E, D, C, G, 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 E, D, C, A, F, E, D, B, G, G, F, D, E, G, E, D, C, G, 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 E, D, C, A, F, E, D, G, 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 A, G, F, D, C, G, then back to the beginning again, blah, 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 and you get the picture. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 7 3 times. Blow into 7 another 3 times. Blow into 7 once. Blow into 9. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 8 3 times. Breathe in through 8 another 3 times. Blow into 7 twice. Blow into 7 3 more times. Breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1, so let's move on to phrase 4. Breathe in through 8 3 times. Breathe in through 8 another 3 times. Blow into 7 twice. Blow into 7 twice again. Blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 8. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 3. Blow into 7. breathe in through 6, blow into 5, and blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 6, blow into 3 3 times. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 7, breathe in through 2. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 8. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 9 is exactly the same as phrase 5, and phrase 10 is exactly the same as phrase 6. So let's move on to phrase 11. Breathe in through 2. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 9 3 times. Blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 5. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.